WA&D meteorologist Kevin Chierek joins us now. Kevin, what is the National Weather Service saying tonight?
Well, Dawn, it's hard to believe, but it's already been 48 hours now since the severe weather events on Sunday, and members of the National Weather Service have been working very hard nonstop to assess these tornadoes. And just a little while ago, I spoke with one of those representatives, and here's some of the preliminary numbers that he told me. In the state of Illinois alone, there were 12 confirmed tornadoes. It affects us here in central Illinois. 12 of those tornadoes, or out of those 12, I should say, 5 of them were here in central Illinois locations. Like Pekin, which is in Peoria and Tazewell counties, Washington in Tazewell and Woodford counties. Here in our viewing area, Gifford and Champaign and Vermilion counties, Altamont to the south in Fayette and Effingham counties. Also in Douglas County, there was a confirmed tornado. Again, crews are still assessing that damage, so we don't have much information on it. Speaking of assessing damage, though, one of the ways we do that is by looking at the enhanced Fujita scale, or the EF scale. It goes anywhere from an EF0 to an EF5. Some of these tornadoes, like the one in Washington, we saw a peak wind of 190 miles per hour, so that was classified as an EF4. The path of that tornado was 46.2 miles, 1 fatality, and 122 injuries. Also, we had an EF3 that was in Gifford. So some of these tornadoes are packing a punch. Crews are going to continue to assess the damage. In the meantime, many families are still trying to pick up the pieces. Marianne, I'll go ahead and send it back into you.
All right, thanks so much.
WA&D's Kevin Chierek is outside, joined by the Macon County Sheriff's Department on important life-saving measures. Hey, Kevin, what's going on?
Hey, JC, a lot of people don't think about it, but once a big storm hits, a lot of people's first instinct, once that storm passes, they want to get outside and assess the damage. They want to go see their house, but that's not necessarily the best idea. Joining me now is Lieutenant Belcher of the Macon County Sheriff's Department. And Lieutenant, what's one of the reasons people should not be out there assessing that damage and let the professionals really take care of it?
People, when they get outside their homes and start assessing the damage, don't quite realize the magnitude of the storm, the magnitude of the damage that's outside, all the broken glass, metals that have been thrown around, different pieces of wood. The biggest thing is the electricity and the natural gas. Power lines are going to be taken down during the storm, and then natural gas lines will be ruptured during those storms too. So those different elements are always out there. People step on glass. Eventually somebody will find an electrical wire, maybe step on it, came through.
And it completely makes sense, and that's what a lot of people just need to realize is let the experts take care of it. You know, let the emergency management, the sheriff's department, the electricians, everybody, the experts should take care of it. I appreciate you coming out here and letting us know, and we'll go ahead and send it back into you guys.
You know, ladies, that's the angle that we don't